people coming, so turn it off.
Cotton candy and coffee. Marie Antoinette Cafe Pistachio. Wants to include in it and you stole my song.
Hi. I feel ugly.
Oh my, is that a bag of poop? Huh? Bag of poop? I think there's alcohol in that bag.
Oh, here.
Veronica feels clean today. And she looks really pretty. Can I eat your macaroons?
No.
Darn.
Wait, did you eat all yours?
Yep.
Wait, you ate all of them?
I only got 3. Don't judge me. Stop it. And that one ended up being my favorite. Here, give me
It looks like, you know. But I can't really tell from my angle. Oh. I just tried to film right.
Yes. Yo, too fast. Veronica just tried to cut my head off. Solid chai.
Being stooges. Make about as much me having you could become true because I know you never prepare. Always
Those noodles.
work.
I know which way. There's no 049.
When Veronica went to Paris, she got a salted caramel cookie, and they had it in Barnes & Noble today. So I got one, and I heated it up, and Ronnie and I are going to try it together.
Right.
We really ate that cookie, and it wasn't even the salted caramel cookie, so that was a waste of like $4. Veronica's currently at the library doing her homework, and I'm editing a video. It's pouring rain outside, and I don't have a raincoat or an umbrella, so I'm not really sure what to do, but for right now, I'm just in here. I'm gonna go eventually to Magnolia Bakery and get some banana pudding because I've always wanted to try it. And then I think I might go to Macy's and look at the shoots, so. Since it's raining, I thought I'd do something simple. I didn't wear any of the clothes that I brought. I'm gonna go shopping. Bye.
Exactly what the one in Dublin looks like.
We're going to get,
God. It's sensitive right now.
we're going to get pumpkin spice pudding. I
No.
love pumpkin spice. I don't know if this is a vibe, but I just got pumpkin spice pudding. And Twilight is playing. Feels like such a fall day. Honestly, we walked too much again. Oh, my head hurts. Anyways, we're gonna watch Twilight and eat pumpkin pudding. Okay, this is what it looks like. It looks like soft.
Whoa.
It looks like soft ice cream. Yo, my ears are so busted right now. I can't hear anything. Oh my effing god, that's delicious.
Is it like ice cream but not cold?
Yeah,
Oh my god, I've gotta try that. Oh,
but it tastes like real pumpkin.
dumb good. Cookie butter?
Yeah.
Wow. Here, you deal with my spoon. You do my spoon.
Veronica and I are going grocery shopping. Looking busted. Yeah. We're going downtown. Okay, now I'm over it. Hi.
Do you want to go somewhere else?
No, I don't care. It doesn't matter.
I thought you were like looking for something. You turn the lights off and get a vibe.
Oh, no.
Welcome on the board, my name is Sergey, your safety man provider. So,
I made bagel pizzas downstairs, and Veronica and I were bringing them back upstairs through the elevator, and she was like, wow, those actually smell really good, and a couple got in after us, and the guy was like, Tostino pizza rolls. And I was like, yeah, nothing better. And he started laughing really hard, so did his wife, and then he was like, out of all the most authentic pizza in the world, you chose comfort food. And I just thought it was really funny, and yes, I did choose comfort food, because I need to be comforted right now.
That's all, folks.